world is rushing toward wealth creation. Hundreds and thousands of people are facing financial problems. Most of you would have desired to be rich overnight. That is nearly impossible. There is loads of struggle required to reach the luxury millionaire lifestyle. There is a whole mindset behind it. Let's ponder over the mindsets primarily required to set up your own business empire and generate a hefty amount. But before proceeding, I'd like to welcome you to Invested Knowledge. Knowledge is power, and on this channel, we will teach you the best money-wise mindsets needed to be successful in business and tips for making money online. So please subscribe to this channel and hit the like button and the post notification button so you can get updates on our latest videos. Now let's get into it, shall we? 1. Realization of your abilities. Everyone has strengths and weaknesses. A millionaire mindset always thinks of better. He never settles for less. His motive is to constantly work on his abilities and nurture them. Success doesn't mean that you've conquered the world. There is a complete world behind the stars. One needs to know about his weaknesses and work on them. No matter how successful you are, there's still room for improvement. The one who keeps going in life ultimately succeeds. 2. Learn from your mistakes. Man can never be perfect. He's meant to make mistakes. Every successful person was once an ordinary man without potential skills. You need not get disappointed. Hopelessness is the biggest curse. Learn from your mistakes and try to improve. It is a famous narration that when Thomas Edison was creating the light bulb, he failed hundreds of times. People made fun of him and began to bash him for failing. He replied to them with the words that made a benchmark in history. I didn't fail hundreds of times. Instead, I told the world 100 ways that are useless to design a bulb. This is the spirit we need to adopt. We always study the successful ventures of people, but never think about the struggle behind it. If we only think of the atrocities they had faced to gain success, we will be able to cope with our anxiety and move on the journey of triumph. 3. Patience and consistency. Life treats everyone differently. Some people are born with a silver spoon while others have to burn the midnight oil to get their objectives. You need to be patient and persistent. There are millionaires who gained access in their teenage years and millionaires who had to work into their 80s. Jeff Bezos founded Amazon at the age of 31 and became the world's richest man at the age of 54. Similarly, the founder of Sony, Masura Ubuka, became a millionaire in his late 40s. You need to stick to your goal and keep on working. There might be hard times and darkness all around, but if you remained focused, you'll end up creating opportunities for yourself. 4. Risk. Nothing in the world can be fruitful without risk. A person with a millionaire mindset knows when to take a risk and when to not. You need to have good research skills along with critical thinking. Millionaires believe that if the risk has a potential for high payouts, you must go for it. You need to have surplus wealth that can be invested and won't affect your business in case of a loss. 5. Analytical skills. Analytical skills can help you generate wealth. A person who can analyze a situation perfectly understands the pros and cons. He knows about the risks and rewards associated with a situation. He works with people who have a mindset to think of the future. If you're the one who thinks about long-term opportunities and how an initiative can help you grow in the years to come. 6. Automate your business. When you need to operate a business, you need to shift yourself from a one-man army to hundreds of employees. This will help you to automate your business. You will get yourself out of all the fuss and shift your working to your employees. All big businesses are based on an automation module. Every potential company believes in providing employment opportunities to others and spreading the business at the same time. 7. Invest in a running business. The best way to become a millionaire is to invest in a running business. If you're someone who is afraid of taking risks, you must invest your money in an income-generating asset. This will help you to generate a good amount for you and your future startups and install a sense of motivation in you as well. Whenever we think about assets, we believe them to be property or a running business. Did you ever think that you could invest in a skill? If you have energy, you can invest your money to learn a potential skill. You will not only be able to regain the amount, but earn through it for life. 8. Optimize your skills. The world is changing with every second. Technology is growing at the speed of light. There is a dire need to learn new skills and optimize them. You need to learn about the biographies of people and the new technical skills. This will help you to reform your business and introduce new ideas. All business tycoons study the latest market trends. Even the most influential person in economic history, Bill Gates, loves to take courses and read books. He believes that knowledge transforms with every passing second. If we stick to conventional skills, we will end up losing our authority. The new generation demands optimistic ideas that can create value in their lives. 9. Passion. Nothing on earth is more precious than your passion. You must allow your passion to be your purpose in life. This will motivate you to see a professional in your passion. Luckiest is the one whose passion is his profession. Never give up on your passion. If you do so, you might end up being respectful in people's eyes, but you'll lose your inner peace. You might end up doing a 9-to-5 job, but never be the CEO of your firm. There is a very famous narration from a person that he worked very hard and gained a promotion in his job. However, he had a dream to buy a Lamborghini. From his office room window, he saw his boss coming out in a brand new Lamborghini. He greeted his boss and informed him about the progress. His boss appreciated him, and with a smile on his face, he said, "Keep on working hard so I can buy a brand new car next month." This particular event clearly depicts the fact that we must work for ourselves. We should conquer our dreams and follow our passion. And before we get to the last essential mindset for wealth creation, please remember to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, and turn the notification bell on. 10. Optimism. Optimism is the key to success. In every business, there are darker days. You won't succeed in the first go. You will have to face many hurdles and shackles, but the bravest of all is the one who never gives up. If you remain consistent with your objective and keep on chasing your dreams, you'll end up grabbing the best opportunity for yourself. That's it for the 10 mindsets that can help you generate real wealth. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment on the section down below. Don't forget to watch my other videos because I'm on a mission to infuse money-making skills in you. Stay tuned for our future videos. Till then, bye!